Students, how are you all? Okay, who will give me the answer? How are you? Okay, if ma'am asks a question that how are you, so what will be the answer? I am fine and super. Well done. Okay, and I am your which one subject teacher? Who will tell me? English subject. Well done. I am your English subject teacher. Which one subject teacher? English subject. Okay, all of you have English books. Show me your English books. Which one is your English book? Well done. Well done. शाबाश. और आज हम इंग्लिश में कौन सा लेटर करेंगे? Which one letter? Letter C. Well done. और कल हमने कौन सा लेटर किया था? We have done letter B. Well done. And today we will learn letter C. Which one letter? The letter C. Okay. I am showing you this one. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? C. Which letter is this? Who will tell me? The letter C, the third letter of alphabets. Okay, and we have how many alphabets we have in English subject? We have 26 alphabets in English. Okay, how many alphabets? 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26 alphabets. And this one is the third letter of alphabets. Okay, which one letter is this? The letter C. Okay, the first one letter is letter A. The second one is letter B. Well done. Excellent. And the third letter is letter C. Well done. And today we will learn letter C. Which one letter is this? Look at the picture. Which letter is this? C. Okay, बच्चे ये कौन सा लेटर है? C. Well done. और C से पहले कौन सा लेटर होता है? B. Very good. A, B, and C. Today we will learn letter C. Well done. Very good. And can you tell me? This is the capital B. Yes, very good. Capital C and small c. Look at this picture. This one is the baby B, C, and this one is the mama B. Well done. This one is the mama B, like the mother of C. Okay, and this one is the baby C. Well done. Well done. Shabash. Once again, capital C. All of you, repeat after me. Shabash. Capital C. Small c. Shabash. Capital C. Small c. And what is the sound of C? Who will tell me? C says K. आपने बच्चे प्ले ग्रुप में पढ़ा है ना, C says ख, शाबाश, C says ख. What is the sound of C? C says ख. Capital C, capital C, small c, capital C, small c. C says ख, C says ख. बच्चे हर एक लेटर की अपनी अपनी साउंड्स होती है ना, like A says A. What is the sound of A? A says A. Everyone do action, shabash. A says A. B says B. Very good, Absawar. Shabash. B says B. What is the sound of B? B says B. And then C. Very good. The mama C and the baby C. This one is the capital C and small c. Very good. And the sound of C is K. Very good. Shabash. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? What is this? Clock. और बच्चे आपके घर में क्लॉक है? Show me your clock. आपके घर में इस तरह का क्लॉक है जिसमें आप टाइम देखते हैं. Very good, अब सवार. अच्छा, शाबाश बच्ची. Once again, clock. Clock. Repeat after me. Clock. Very good. Shabash. Well done. Okay. This is clock. Very good. Clock. Very good. Okay. Look at this picture. What is this? What is this? Very good. Shabash. Absawar, well done. Carrot. Very good. और आपकी बुक में भी कैरेट है ना, और आपके घर में कैरेट है ना, आप कैरेट खाते हैं ना. Do you like carrot? Very good. And what is the color of this carrot? Who will tell me? Very good. Orange. Orange भी होता है, red भी होता है, ठीक है. और इसकी ये leaves नहीं होती, कैरेट की leaves green होते हैं, ठीक है. का कैरेट. शाबाश. का कैरेट. Very good. शाबाश. का कैरेट. ये क्या है? Once again. Well done, Afia. Shabash. Ka carrot. Well done. Okay. Look at this picture. What is this? ये क्या है? Cow. Shabash. Abdul Malik, what is this? Cow. Very good. Cacao. Very good. Shabash. Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar, sit properly, bache. Sit properly. Very good. Shabash. And look at here. What is this? Cacao. Very good. Cacao. और काउ किस तरह करती है? Well done, Absawar. Shabash बच्चे. Well done. Very good. Cacao. Very good. Shabash. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Car. Well done. Car. और आपके पापा के साथ इस तरह का कार है ना? Very good. And what is the color of this car? What is the color of this car? Red. Very good. And I have a baby car. Look at this. big car and the baby car. And what is the color of this one car? Green. Well done. I have two cars. Car. Okay, once again. Car. What is this? Car. Well done. Once again. Car. Very good. Shabash. Car. Cacao. Shabash. Cacao. What is this? Cacao. और आपकी बुक में भी इस तरह की काव है ना? Well done. And carrot. Shabash. Carrot. Abdul Malik. Shabash. बच्चे sit properly. बच्चे sit properly. Carrot. Very good. Shabash. Abdul Ghaffar. Repeat after me. Shabash बच्चे. Carrot. Very good. Shabash Afia. Well done. Carrot. Clock. Clock. Very good. Shabash. और आपको पता है बच्ची सी से एक और क्या चीज आती है? What is this? Look at this picture. Meow. Well done, Afia. Shabash. Cat. This is cat. And what is the sound of cat? Well done. Shabash. Cat. Very good. Shabash. Okay, all of you open your books. Shabash, bache. Open your books. All of you have books. Capital C, small c. Shabash. Repeat after me. Capital C, small c. C says K. C says K. Very good. What is the sound of C? Okay, all of you have books. Open your books and look at this picture. Small c. All of you put your fingers. Shabash. Abdul Ghaffar. Shabash, bache. Put your fingers. Where is your book? Sit properly. Very good. Shabash. Sit properly. Carrot. Well done. Small c. ये small c है ना बच्चे, ये small c है, ठीक है. और ये वाला जो है ये big, ये वाला big है, the mother b है, ठीक है. ये capital C है और ये वाला जो है ना ये बच्चे ये small c है, ठीक है. और आपकी बुक में कौन सा वाला c है? Small c है, ठीक है बच्चे. Well done. Shabash. Okay, look at the picture. Small c. Very good. Carrot. Shabash. Carrot पे सब finger रखे. Carrot. Carrot. Car. Very good. Cacao. Cacao. Clock. Carrot. Cacao. Clock. Very good. और आप कैरेट किस तरह खाते हैं? एक्शन करें जरा मुझे। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। का कैरेट, का कार, का cow, का clock. Okay, let's sing a song of C. Small C. Very good. C for carrot, C for carrot, ka. C for car, C for car, ka. C for cow, C for cow, ka. C for clock, C for clock, ka. Shabash, sing with me. C for carrot, C for carrot, ka. C for car, C for car, ka. Well done, Afia. Shabash. C for cow, C for cow, ka. C for clock, C for clock, ka. वेरी गुड, शाबाश। और बच्चे ये आप सब अपनी अपनी बुक्स में मम्मा के साथ लर्न करोगी, ठीक है? और कल मैं आपसे ये सुनूंगी, ठीक है ना बच्चे? ऑल ऑफ यू, शाबाश। ओपन योर रफ रजिस्टर एंड note down your diaries. Shabash, please. Note down your diary. English oral. Okay. Do practice of letter C in your book. Okay. और ये मैं आप सबसे सुनूंगी, ठीक है ना? Okay. All of you, bye bye to your ma'am. Say bye bye. Bye bye.